Many of you are concerned about safety in Russia due to the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. It's a valid concern, but let's look at the reality for students in major cities like Moscow and Saint Petersburg. These cities are far from the conflict zones, and daily life continues much as usual. Students attend classes, use public transport, and enjoy city life. Universities prioritize student safety and maintain stable, supportive environments. While the situation is serious, the immediate dangers are not present in academic centers. Emotional and psychological impacts exist, but physical safety is not a daily concern for students. You'll join a community navigating a challenging time, but your focus can remain on your education. The university environment is designed to support learning and cultural exchange. We want to give you a balanced perspective, neither downplaying the conflict nor exaggerating risks. Life in Moscow for students is different from what you might see in the news. Streets are safe, shops are open, and public services run as normal. Your academic journey is still possible here. Make your decision based on facts, not fear. Your dream of studying in Russia remains achievable. Universities are committed to your well-being. Stay informed, but don't let headlines dictate your choices. The reality for most students is stability and opportunity. We're here to provide honest updates and support. Focus on your goals and personal growth. Russia's academic centers remain welcoming to international students. Let's address travel disruptions you might face. Occasionally, flights to and from Moscow or Saint Petersburg are delayed due to temporary airspace closures. These are safety measures, not signs of wider danger. Delays are inconvenient but not constant. Plan for them. Check your flight status regularly and sign up for alerts. Arrive a few days before orientation to allow for possible delays. Bring essentials like snacks and a power bank for comfort during waits. Airports may get crowded, so patience is key. Thousands travel safely every day. Disruptions are the exception. Authorities prioritize your safety above all else. Careful planning reduces stress and helps you start your academic journey smoothly. Stay updated through your airline and university's international office. Build extra time into your travel schedule. Be flexible and prepared for changes. These steps ensure a smoother arrival in Russia. Your university can offer specific travel advice. With preparation, you'll navigate these challenges confidently. What's daily life like on campus? University life in Russia continues as normal. Campuses are open, classes are held, and the academic calendar is unchanged. You'll attend lectures, join clubs, and participate in campus events. Part-time job opportunities still exist, especially for those with language skills. The atmosphere is focused and welcoming, with students from around the world. Professors and classmates are interested in your ideas, not politics. Campuses remain safe, inclusive, and vibrant. Your life outside class can be as engaging as you make it. The challenges outside don't define your student experience. Universities work hard to ensure your time is safe and productive. Your educational journey is protected and supported. Many ask if it's harder to get a student visa or university admission now. The answer: no new restrictions for international students. The application and visa process remain unchanged. Universities are actively recruiting and supporting global talent. Apply early and follow standard procedures. The international office and embassy websites have the latest information. Don't let rumors discourage you. Your dream is still within reach. Russian universities remain open and welcoming. In closing, remember, you're not alone. Education builds bridges and your presence matters. Stay informed through official sources, not just headlines. Connect with your support network and current students. Ask questions and seek help when needed. Thousands of international students are thriving in Russia today. We support your ambitions and are here to help. Stay hopeful, stay informed, and pursue your goals with confidence.